Hi, this is Blockchain Pad. Welcome to another episode of the Smooth Smart Contact Development Series. Today, we're going to be publishing our first smart contacts. So, in the last tutorial, we learned how to create a new project, or rather, start a new package. So, today, we're going to be publishing it. So, first of all, make sure your VS Code is open and you're in the folder where you want to write a smart contacts. I'm in mind. So, what I have to do, I have to open a terminal and start a new project, just like the last tutorial. To start a new package, you have to put the command Sui move new, then your package name. I'm going to name it Hello Sui. So in the last day, I told you, be careful while you name your package. Make sure you don't start with a number and you don't have special characters in your naming. So if you look here, the package is created. So I'm going to right click and open it in my terminal. So we have to head over to the sources folder. I'm going to remove all these comments here. They are not really important. So if you remember, for us to start a module, you have to give it the keyword module, then the package name. My package name is Hello Sui. Then my module name is also Hello Sui. So just like the last tier, let me copy the code from last tier. So let me copy the rest of the codes. We will take code for Hello World. So let me copy that and paste it here. We are going to make some changes to the code. So just for an example for us to show how to deploy a package, I'm going to add something. I'm going to add events. So I'm going to use the module events. So I'm importing from Sui. So just like last time I told you, this here are from the dependencies installed from our move.toml file. So it's coming from this Sui dependencies. This package comes from these Sui dependencies. So we're going to be using the module events. So you don't need to bother much about what events are. I'm just writing this code to give a demo on how we can publish our smart contacts. Later in the future, the later tutorials, we'll talk more about events. But just know that events is a tool for broadcasting on the blockchain. So just say it's a tool for broadcasting announcements to the world. Just put it like that. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write each stops. So to write it, I'll give public stops. Then it starts name. I'm going to call it stop name Hello Events. One thing while writing stops, make sure you start the capital letter. But don't bother yourself about stocks also. Just like I said, you're going to learn more about all these concepts later. I'm just getting the code for us to deploy on the smart contacts. And stocks are containers for storing information. So our stock is going to have the ability to copy and also dump. So our stock is going to hold our message, and our message is going to be a string. Then also we have to come in. This is our function, our hello function. We're not going to be returning these things again. So let's put our message into. Then let's put this hello message into the stocks, which are our container. So let's assign to a variable. So I'm going to call the variable hello events. So it's going to be our events. Sorry, hello events. Then I'm going to pass it to the stocks. So I'm going to call the stocks here hello events. Then I'm going to pass our message to it. Our message is going to be this our hello message, our hello world message. So this will be our message. So we're going to cut it and paste it here. Then after that, we have to vary semicolon. So because you're not going to return anything, it's only when we are returning that we are going to leave the last line. without a semicolon. So after that, we're going to we're going to podcast the our event. So we're going to emit the event. So you have to use events emit. From the event module, we're going to use the function called emit. Then what's going to be our event? Our event is going to be our hello events. Then don't forget to add your semicolon. So that it's so you're going to deploy this our smart contracts city blockchain. So first of all, let's build our smart contract. Let's make sure we root a correct smart contract. So we're going to write Sui move build to build our smart contracts. So our smart contract will be built successfully. So the next thing we have to do is deploy our smart contracts. No, in our last tutorial, we wrote a test for a smart contract, but for now, we are not going to write a test because we're just demoing how to deploy a package. But later on, we're going to be writing tests on our smart contracts. So before deploying our smart contracts, we need to set up an account, Google accounts to deploy our smart contract. And since it's our first time installing Sui clients, there's no account yet because we've not deployed any package yet. So we're going to repeat this keyword Sui client to stop our accounts for the first time. So you have to click on Y, yes. Then click on enter. The default is going to be test next. Click on enter. Then click on view. So what is an account? An account is a way to identify a user. So this is our account. Then the account is generated from the private key. So this question was asked and created, we selected 0. So this is the key we're going to be using to create our accounts. And also an account can own objects. So you learn more about objects. Objects are coins, NFTs. So an account can own objects and also send transaction. It's very important. Without an account, you can't send transaction. And an account is identified by an address. So here, this is the address for our account. This is our wallet address, and this is our private key also. Which I'm really just here. I'm exposing my private key. On a normal day, you're not meant to expose your recovery phrase. Sorry, not private key. This is your recovery phrase. So on a normal day, you're not meant to expose it, because if anyone has access to your private key or recovery phrase, they already automatically have access to send transactions for you on the blockchain, and they can access your account. So make sure you don't expose your recovery phrase or your private key. The only thing that can be exposed is your wallet address. And also to check our address, to our active address, you can actually create many accounts, but we have this one at first. Later on, we are going to create other accounts too while testing. So to check our wallet address, just in case let's say clear the terminal. You clear the terminal. To see your wallet address, you're going to put in Sui client active address to see your active address. So these are wallet address. And also, remember, while we're installing Sui clients, we install the testnet, but just for demo purpose and this deal, I'll be using devnet. So we have to switch from our testnet to our devnet. So let's check our active environment. So to check our active environment, you can just put the command Sui client active EAV. And so if you look at this, we are on testnet, but I want to switch to devnet. So to switch to devnet, you have to first of all add the devnet you have to first of all add the devnet. So we're going to click on Sui client help to see how to do that. So if you look at it here, so add a new environment, you have to input Sui clients new environments. So we want to add in our Devnet environment. So let's repeat command Sui client new env. Sorry, I only put help. Then I ask for help to see that. So complete a new environment. We need the name and the RPC. So I have it here. I'm going to publish this in my GitHub repo. So for Devnet, the alias is Devnet. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to come back again. Sui CLI env. Then I'll add Devnet. Then also for the RPC, we'll copy this. This is for DevNet, so let's copy this. This is going to be the URL for the DevNet. Okay, so we've added the DevNet to our config file. So we have the DevNet on our system. And also when we're going to mainnet, this is going to be the custom URL. And also when we want to maybe switch to testnet, we're going to have to, okay, we already have testnet installed on our PC, so also we just have to switch to testnet, but there's no mainnet yet on our PC. So when we move to mainnet, we have to add this also. So we just added it to we just added the devnet environment. So you have to switch to it. So if I see put in Sui clients active env, you see that we are still active on the testnets. Yes, that's the testnet. So we have to switch to the devnet. So let's ask for help again to see how we can switch to the devnets. So Sui clients help. So if you look at it, come here, you're going to see switch. So you can switch active addresses and networks. So right now I want to switch networks. So let's put in Sui clients switch. Then let's also ask for help to see how to do that. So to do that, we have to use this in env. Then you have to put our environment name. So I'm going to put that in Sui clients switch. Then I'm going to put in env. Then our environment is going to be devnet. So I'm going to use devnet. So right now we switch from our testnet environment to our devnet environment. So let's confirm that we are on devnet. So Sui client active env. So yeah, if you look at it, we are on the devnet. So, and also for us to deploy our package to the blockchain, we need gas fees. So first of all, we need an account. So we've got an account, a sender. So the sender is going to be our account. We're not just sending transaction. Then we need a gas fee. So let's check if you have gas fee. So we're going to repeat command to check if you have Sui. So we have Sui faucets on our account. So let's check. Let's repeat command Sui clients gas. So if you look at it, it says no gas coins are owned by this our address. So we have no coin, no Sui, no gas coin. So for us to request for coin, we definitely need a gas fee to publish. So we have to request for a gas fee. It's not going to be a gas fee, just a faucet, a play, or let's say test switch, not real money. So we have to increase command to request for faucets. So Sui clients, then impute faucets. So all these commands you can get them here. So if you can put in command Sui client help. So sorry, double dash. So help. You're going to see the command here. So yeah, see faucets. They said it will be request gas coin faucets. So by default, it will use the active address and active network. So we are going to request for faucet for our active address, which is this address Sui clients active address. Then we are also going to be requesting in our development environment, which is you're going to give us faucets in the devnet environment. So let's come here and request for this faucet. So Sui client faucets, request for faucets. And so you look at the Z, the request was successful. It can take up to 1 minute to get the coin. So we have to run Sui client gas to check if it has if we've gotten the gas coin. So let's wait for some time. Then let's run the command Sui client gas. So this is it. This is the gas coin ID. So this is an object. So this is the gas coin. Then if you look at it, you're going to see mists. So one Sui is equal to 1 billion or mists. So this you're going to be seeing the gas coin mostly calculated in mists on Sui. So the gas coin is going to be calculated in mists. So anytime you see mists, don't be confused. Mist is so like I said, one Sui is equal to 1 billion mists. So here you have 10 Sui. So here we have 10 billion mists, and that's our gas fee. So now we've gotten the gas fee. So the next thing to do, we are ready to publish our smart contracts to the DevNet. So as long as our smart contract builds correctly and we have an account and the gas objects, so we can do that. So to publish your objects to the blockchain, to the Sui blockchain, that on DevNet, you have to put this command Sui client publish, Sui client publish. So we've successfully deployed our smart contracts to the Sui blockchain. That's where we use DevNet. So we've successfully deployed it to DevNet. So if you come here, if you look at transaction effects, you see success, so successful, and also coming back here, you see the sender. The sender is going to be our address. So if you check it out, our address, the gas owner, the gas coin, it's still our address is going to be because we own the gas coin. Then the gas budget, this is a mist. So like I told you, sometimes you're going to be seeing, or you're going to mostly be seeing the gas in mist. I told you 1 Sui equals to 1 billion mists. So let's convert this our gas budget to Sui to see how many Sui we budgeted for our transaction. So we come here and put 9007200 divided by 1 billion. So that's about 0.009 Sui. So you see the amount we budgeted. Then at the end, we later used 1,000 mists to deploy our smart contract. So let's still calculate that. So you have 1,000. Sorry, I have to click. You have 1,000 divided by. So that's 1 billion. So we spent about 0.000001 Sui. So you see how cheap it is to deploy smart contract on the Sui blockchain. So it's not that expensive. Sui is fast and it has low gas fees. So that's the amounts we used, and we can just come here. This is digest. So if you want to see more about the transaction, this transaction digest, you can just copy it and head over to Sui. So as I'm going to search for Sui scan or Sui vision. So I'm going to PC Sui scan. So we're using both Sui scan and Sui vision. The explorers where you can see these transactions happening on the blockchain. So we have to switch over to a DevNet. We declared our package to a DevNet. So if we search on the testnet and on the mainnet, we're able to find our digest or our package here. So the Sui scan or Sui explorer, Sui vision, it's where you see all the transactions happening on the blockchain. Like, the blockchain is transparent. Every single transaction happening on the blockchain is known. So you're going to see everything. It's going to be displayed on the Sui scan and Sui vision. So these are package we published. Then if you look at it, it's published. This is our timestamp, the sender, the gas object, and everything, the signature, and everything. So right now we just published our package. We've not called our function hello. So we need to call that function, that hello function. So to do that, we have to use command Sui client call. So you can equally ask for help. So check it out. So if you look at it, they say call. So to call move function, so Sui client call, let's ask for help to see what arguments are going to be passing. So the options, we have to put our package ID, that's the address to our package, the module, and the function. So like a Sui client call, then the package. So to find our package, we have to head over here. If you look at it, you see published objects. So these are our package. The package ID is our package address. So we have to copy it. If you look at it, the modules that was published were our Hello Sui module. So if you had other modules here, let's say we wrote other modules here, you see them published here. So you see them the modules published. So right now we have only one module published. So that's the Hello Sui module. So we have to paste our package ID here, then the module, our module name, our module name is Hello Sui. We also have our function name. Our function name is hello, so you have to pass in our function name. And there are other parameters also, which are the type argument and the arguments on the gas and the gas budgets, but those are optional. It's very much to put. But right now our function does not have an argument. Where does it have a type argument? So you're going to know more about arguments and type arguments later in the future. So it does not have an argument or type argument, so it's not putting that. So as for the gas and the gas budget, it is optional. So we can specify a budget. So a budget is like you going to the market. When you go to the market, you have a budget. So you can't just spend more than your budget. So it doesn't mean that also you spend on your budget. So if you look at the other format transaction, we had a budget, but we didn't use up the whole miss for the budget. So that's our guide where you can choose to specify, but it's an optional parameter. So we are going to run the transaction. So calling this function is also running the transaction. So we are going to run our transaction and successful. So if you come here, come to the effects, you're going to see successful and the transaction digests. So see fully about the transaction. We are going to copy it and go back to our Sui scan. So let's paste it here. So make sure you're on DevNet. Always make sure you're on DevNet since you're working on DevNet environments. So we are going to paste it here. Then if you look at it, it says call function. We called our hello function from this package. So if you look at it, that's the same package ID. So this is our package ID. Then this is the digest, the timestamp, the sender. These are our accounts. The total gas fee. So we spent about 0.001 Sui calling the function, the gas budget. Then look at we call this interaction. So like I said, we call it this hello function interaction. So we called hello from the package module, the function. Then these are our events. So these events here, this hello world events. So these are our hello world here. These are the events. And also everything you're seeing here, everything you're seeing on this explorer here is the same thing here. So it's just that it is it has well formatting here, and it's very easy to view it on the Sui scan. You can also go back to, we can also use Sui Vision. So either use Sui Vision or Sui Scan, depends on which one you prefer using. You have Sui Scan, Sui Vision, depends on your choice. I use both, depends. I use both. So this is Sui Vision. You can just come and change your environment to Devnet and you can also view the information here. So as you know, the blockchain is transparent and every single transaction in blockchain can be viewed in the Explorer. So we've successfully deployed our smart contracts to the Sui blockchain on the Dev environment. So in the next video, we're going to dive deeper into the Move programming language. If you have any question or if you're confused on anything, you can just drop your question in the comment section and I'll always be here to reply you. Thank you very much.